Hey there, in this video we'll be looking into substrings in Python. So Python provides many ways to get substring of a string, and often it is called slicing. So the syntax is pretty simple. So it's like a string with start, end, and step. So the start is nothing but the starting index of the substring. The character of this index is included in the substring, and if start is not included, it is assumed that it is equal to 0. This end denotes to the terminating index of the substring. The character of this index is not included in the substring, and if end is not included, it is assumed that it is equal to the length of the string. Even sometimes if the given end is greater than the length of the string, it is still assumed to be the length of the string. So this step denotes every step character after the current character to be included. The default value is 1. If step is not included, again it is assumed to be equal to 1. So let's look into some examples. So let's take a string which we can say as CodeJedi, and let's take an example. So we have to get the first 5 characters of a string. So how can we do that? We can just print string, and we will be starting it from 0th index and first 5 characters. So 5, because 5 is not included, so 0 to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 characters will be included. So let's just run this. So we see code J. So this is the first 5 characters of the string. Now let's look into another example. So here, get a substring 4 characters long, starting from 3rd characters of the string. So let's print first starting from 3rd character. So 0, 1, 2. Second index is the 3rd character, 2, and 4 characters long. So from 2, 4 characters long is 6. So let's just run this. So we get DEJ. DEJ. Yes, that's correct. Now let's look into one more example. So we have to get the last character of the string. So the last character of the string is I. So let's see, print string. Now we have to get the last character. So we just print -1, which will give you the last character of the string. Now let's look into the next example. So we have to get the last 5 characters of the string. So same thing, print string last 5 characters. So -5, this will give you the -5th character, and we have to get the last 5 characters. So just run EDI. So yeah, with this we will get the last 5 characters of the substring. Now the next example, we have to get a substring which contains all characters except the last 4 characters and the first character. So last 4 character and first character. So basically we don't need C, we just need ODE. Okay, so let's try string. We don't need the first character. So we'll start from the second character basically, which is the index 1, and we don't need the last 4 characters. So we'll just skip the last 4 characters. So we got ODE as we needed. So let's look at one last example, which is to get every other character from a string. So we have to get every other character. This basically means C, D, J, D. Okay. So because we'll be starting it from the first character, so we don't need the starting index, and we will be going till the last index. We don't need the end value also, but we need steps because we need to get step count of every 2 characters, every other character. So just run this. So we get CD, JD. Yeah, so that's all for this video. I hope this video gives you a kickstart for learning about substring in Python, and hope this video was helpful for you. Please do like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this.